Hello everyone, welcome to another edition of Rod's Random Reviews. Today, guess what? I have a dirty RV. Just got back from Florida, Orlando, Huntsville, Alabama to Florida. Yesterday was about a 12-hour drive. Drove all the way through. My wife and I took turns while others slept in the back. And hey, so this is the Chemical Guys foam blaster. So I'll give you a little step-by-step guide. I'm not sure how I'm gonna like it, but hey, I'm willing to try anything to keep from having to scrub a lot of those high areas as you see on my Winnebago View here. So here we go, folks. Getting ready to try out Chemical Guys Snow Foam Honeydew Auto Wash. Picked this up on Amazon.com like we do almost everything. Saw a couple of reports on it, and here we go. We're gonna see what all of this looks like. Of course, down here I'm able to brush it easier than I can up there. Here we go, folks. And here's your dilution percentage. Do I need to put a little bit more soap in there? Then top it off with water. Here we go, guys. Looking good so far. All diluted, ready to hook up. For those of you that have pressure washer, you know these, you pull this back to push it in. Pull it back, push it in, and then it locks in place. So may not be intuitively obvious on how to do that. Pull this back, push it in. Need two hands to do that. I need three hands to do that and video it, but only have two. Sorry about that. Thanks. Got about this much into it. Here's what she's looking like. Some of it depends on water pressure that you have. So this thing might be awesome if I had it hooked up to my pressure washer, but I'm working it. Maiden voyage. Didn't come out in as much of a foam as I thought it was going to. It's just soaking water. All right, folks, here's the finished product. Okay, the jury's still out. The jury is still out on foam blaster. Not sure how they got that foam relationship there, but here's the final product. But let me tell you, the best results I got was from elbow grease. So I went ahead and put some of the Snow Foam Auto Wash foam solution in there, and went ahead and used my long stem brush here with an extender. You can hook the water hose up to that. I do that from time to time. So, you know, not a bad wash, but and I did foam it up before I started washing, so I'm gonna say it does help. It does help to foam it up first, wet it down, foam it up a section, and then wipe it down with something if you can. So it does loosen up the dirt, I'll give it that. I'm gonna investigate hooking up a pressure washer to it, because I tell you what bugs me the most, pun intended, I guess. What bugs me the most is I can't get to these tight spots up here. What is that, the result of bugs? Oh, maybe it is bugs. But anyway, there you have it, folks. Another edition of Rod's Random Reviews. I'm gonna do a few more upgrades to the RV before SEC football season. Winnebago View 24V, still loving it. I think I'm gonna put some Battleborn batteries in it so I can run the air conditioner a little bit at night. And so there you have it. If you don't want to miss another edition of something very random, it could be about RVing, it could be about products, It could be about Disney World. Now I think I'm done with Disney World, but you never know. I might post something else with Disney World. But thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share, and you'll feel better for it. Thanks all. Bye now.